Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're reviewing Job Hunt app to see if it's a legit way to find work or just another scam. So the app claims to connect you directly with job earnings. After downloading, the setup is simple. You create a profile with your skills and experience and start browsing listings. So nothing unusual is being asked during sign up, which is a good sign, and the design is straightforward. And searching jobs by category or locations feels easy. So the real question is about the job postings themselves. So let me open up the app. Some users report genuine opportunities that lead to interviews, while others say the listings can feel generic or even recycled from free job boards. Looking at App Store reviews, feedback is mixed. Positive reviews highlight convenience, but negative ones mention spammy notifications and jobs that don't always match your profile. Based on what I've seen, Job Hunter isn't an outright scam, but it may not be the most reliable option out there. So think of it as a supplement to bigger established job boards rather than your main tool. So if you try it, double check job details before applying and never share sensitive info outside of trusted platforms. So that's the Job Hunter app review. If you've used it, share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more app reviews, guys. Thank you for watching.